What if this moment has everything you need? What if that statement were true all the time? What if everything was perfect right now, just as it is? And you just had to see the beauty. Just needed a new perspective. Because it's been right in front of you all along. Take a deep breath in. And let it go. Another deep breath in. And let it go. Another deep breath in. And let it go. This time when you take that breath in, see it come in through your nose, and when it hits the back of your throat, have it split in like a T. And half that breath goes up to your mind and does a little sweeping at the top of that hold. And the other half of the T goes down into your heart and does a little sweeping motion, clearing out the gunk, the yuck, the things that hold us back. And then the exhale, you'll bring that T back together as if now it's making an I. And then you're going to send it out through your nose or your mouth, whatever feels the most comfortable for you. Okay, so breathing that breath in, splitting it, letting it hit on both ends, and releasing it out. Let's do a couple rounds of this. Excellent. I invite you to take a seat, and that seat will be inside your mind or inside your heart. They are connected, so you choose where you go. The benefit of being in the mind is that's our visualization, that's where the ideas come in. It's like the channel, the antennas out. It's also where you can visualize. For some people, though, they visualize in their heart. That antenna reaches from their heart. So either way, just put yourself in one of those places and see the space around you. What does it feel like to be there? This is your quiet, safe space. You let in what you want. You let go of what you don't. No matter what's going on in the outside world, you can always come here. Clear the space. Take a few breaths into that space. See yourself there. And surround yourself in beauty. Whatever that looks like for you. Bring that space alive with your breath as you're breathing in. You see it lighting up, and the extra energy goes to the other space. They're connected. And by lighting up the one, you light up the other. Beautiful. What if this moment right now has everything you need? Everything you need to move forward. Everything you need to be present. Everything you need to feel whole. Take a deep breath in and letting it go. What's one thing that you are grateful for? Pick something really easy. What's the first thing that came to your mind? What are you grateful for? I'm grateful for this breath. I'm grateful for this moment with you. I'm grateful for the chair that I'm sitting on and for the microphone I get to speak into. I'm grateful for my family. And for my friends. What are you grateful for? Just be with it. Let each thing just roll in. What are you grateful for? Just feel it. Slow, deep breaths in. Slow exhales. Slow inhales. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that moment with me. When we come from a place of gratitude, there's a shift. I just invite you to sit in that shift. Notice how you feel. Notice where your thoughts go. They go outside of that shift back to a baseline you no longer want, come back to gratitude. What's one thing you're grateful for? The sun, water, that connection, this moment, this moment. This moment, right now in this moment, when you can hold gratitude, makes everything that's ever happened before in balance. Because for this moment to exist, everything before had to happen. And when you create from a place of gratitude, the future looks very different. It's full of love and wholeness and co-collaboration and openness and compassionate. And what could the world look like if we created from that space? It would be magnificent. It would cause the cosmos to be in awe and wonder. But look at what we had to go through to get there. Take a deep breath in and let it go. To create that vision, it starts right now. To create that vision, it starts right now. With you and with me, and with being grateful for just one thing. And then letting that one thing expand to another, to another. I invite you, in whatever space you're in, to see a movie screen. Maybe it's the walls of the mind or the heart. Just fill that space up, the big, big screen. Go ahead and lay down, whether you're sitting up right now. You can imagine laying down, or you can actually lay down. Looking up at this big screen. We're going to take a few breaths in, and on the exhales, that breath is going to paint the things that you are grateful for. Okay, so let's start with something really simple. What's really something simple you're grateful for? Deep breath in, and exhale. Painting the scene, see the thing, and letting it go. Another breath in. Find something else you're grateful for. Begin to paint the scene. We'll take a few breaths to paint this scene. Breathing in. Painting the scene. Another breath in. What is it that you are grateful for? No judgment, letting the scene change as it needs to. As you exhale that breath out, just see it. Just feel it. Letting it go, letting it float away. What's something about yourself that you are grateful for? What's something that makes you special. You are divine. You are a gift. You have something beautiful to contribute to this planet, to the person next to you. So let's start with just one thing that's great about you. It's not bragging, it's just acknowledging. Take a deep breath in. And let's paint a scene that validates this. When has this gift been in practice? Paint the scene with the breath. This gift of yours. Someone's seen it. Where's that been? Accept it. I invite you to be open, to have an open mind and an open heart that you have more than one gift. That you are the gift. Just being you. You don't have to go look for one thing. It's you. It's all of you. Deep breath in. Letting it go. Place your right hand on your heart. Your left hand wrapping around your right shoulder, giving yourself a hug. I am whole. I can contribute my gifts to this world. I can take the most loving next step. I can be kind and patient and open to what's possible. Thank you for being here today with me. My name is Eva Payne. It's an honor and a privilege. Namaste.